Welcome to Grow Bold TV, the channel that dares you to better yourself and your financial future. I'm Touché, a bold thinker. I'll start by asking a very straightforward question. How much would you pay for a time machine that will enable you to glimpse back into the past? So you could watch your elders in their prime, navigating through their life and the obstacles they faced. How they turned turmoil into triumph, setback into victories. Imagine being able to tune in so you could learn firsthand how they overcame the obstacles that life threw at them. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My actual name is Embark. I was named after my great-grandfather, a visionary entrepreneur who every time he's brought up by my uncles, the stories always inspire great resilience, ambition, and success. See, I've been wrestling with the idea of starting my own YouTube channel for quite a bit now. And I finally decided to take the leap of faith and stop procrastinating. And I think the quickest way to learn is by learning by failure. So with this being my first video, I'm not expecting it to be the best. Today, I'm not just launching a YouTube channel. I'm lighting a beacon for anyone like myself. Anyone at the cusp of paving a path for themselves, learning to innovate, or simply looking for a flicker of motivation in this digital era. So I guess in my own way, I'm building my own time machine. Not one of gears and levers, but one of ideas, lessons and legacies. So my lineage bears a name that's been whispered down generations. It's a typical Somali name, Sharma. The name in itself, Sharma, means can't see evil. My great-grandfather was an individual who navigated his era with tremendous spirit. If today's technology was about back when he was alive, it would not only allow me to witness his journey, but it would let me learn how he turned obstacles into stepping stones. We know time machines are things of science fiction. In other words, they're not real. But I guess Grow Bold TV is my time machine, and it's very real. It's a legacy in digital form for my children, yours, and generations unborn. You see, my great-granddad thrived in his era's revolution. Today, we stand at the cusp of another, the digital revolution. An era ripe with challenges, but even richer in opportunities. As the founder and chief executive at Grow Bold Limited, I'm navigating through the storms of the digital world, helping businesses and individuals to not only survive, but thrive. Take a minute and picture being alive during the Industrial Revolution. The air is thick with change, factories rise, and with them, the path to fortune and innovation. Fast forward to today and we're in a similar vortex, but this time around, it's digital. I tell you what, amidst the global recession that we're currently in, the landscape might seem daunting. Yet, if we have learned anything from history, it has shown us time and time again that in the crucibles of change, the greatest opportunities are forged. Our aim here at Grow Bold TV is to turn these challenges into runways for success. Not just for us, but for the multitude of businesses and individuals we've had the honor to guide. From the ashes of closure, lockdowns, and cost of living crisis, I've seen digital phoenixes rise, embracing the vast digital expanse as their new frontier. I've been lying to you that ever since I started my entrepreneurial journey, I've not failed or hit roadblocks. Just like many of you, I've faced setbacks. Headwinds so strong, they threatened to ground my ambition. From launching a clothing line back in 2013 that hit roadblock after roadblock to weathering not one, but two recessions. Although I've been blessed with good skin, I'm actually old enough to have been made redundant during the first recession. As soon as I was made redundant, that's what actually inspired me to start my entrepreneurial journey. You see, each setback was a lesson, a stepping stone, a lesson in my book of growth that taught me the essence of entrepreneurship. I've learned that it's not just about thriving in good times, it's about learning, adapting, and growing through the challenging times. Which brings me to the ethos of my company, Grow Bold Limited, and this channel, Grow Bold TV. Dare to grow bold. It's more than a slogan, it's more of a call to arms. Dare to grow bold. To grow bold is to dare to dream, to innovate, to pivot, and to persevere. It's about arming yourself with a toolbox of skills, not just to navigate the present, but to scope the future. It's about leveraging every setback, every obstacle, and turning them into stepping stones. Here on this channel, we'll dive into strategies that fortify, from mastering digital tools to understanding market dynamics and cultivating a mindset that sees beyond the horizon. Together, we'll explore the building blocks of resilience, innovation, and growth. As we stand on the shoulders of giants, let's not look back at awe, but forward with purpose. Therefore, Grow Bold is more than a channel, it's a digital legacy, a time machine for future generations to draw courage, wisdom, and inspiration. This is just the beginning, and I invite you to be part of this journey. From an algorithm that anticipates our desires, to the network that binds us, this ecosystem pulsates with potential. As we stand at the threshold of this expedition, remember, the digital canvas beckons for your touch, your hue, your vision. Together, we should navigate this realm, not as spectators, but as the architects of our digital destinies. Let us venture forth, bold and undeterred, where dreams become project and ambition takes flight on the wings of innovation. Welcome to Grow Bold TV, the beacon for the brave, the bold, and the visionary. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe, and if you've got any questions for myself, put them in the comment section. I'm looking forward to reading all the comments. By liking and subscribing to the channel, this will motivate me to create more content like this and continue to bring value to yourself. I promise to always be myself, and I'll conclude by saying, I dare you to grow bold. I dare you to dream fearlessly, to better yourself, to craft boldly. To the dreamers, the doers, the bold spirits at the crossroads of their journey. Whether you're a student, a budding entrepreneur, or someone simply in the pursuit of growth, this channel is for you. Share your stories, your questions in the comment section, and let's connect and curate content that brings value and encourages us to take bold risks. While we might not have a physical time machine to witness the lives of those before us, we have the power to inspire generations to come. Here's to growing bold together. Until next time, stay bold, stay inspired, and keep pushing the limits. And remember to always dare to grow bold.